there! Meet Buzzy the Bee, your friendly guide to the world of bees.
Let's take a look at Buzzy's head. Bees have 2 big eyes on the sides and 3 tiny eyes on top.
Bees have 2 big eyes to help them see flowers and fly safely.
Bees have 3 tiny eyes on top, and they help sense light, even in the dark.
This is Buzzy's thorax, the middle part of his body. That's where his wings are. Bees have 2 pairs of wings that flap super fast.
This is Buzzy's abdomen port, the back part of his body. Bees have 6 legs, and bees flap their wings 200 times every second. That's super fast! As Buzzy sips, the nectar travels through his tongue into a special honey stomach. He'll carry it home to make delicious honey.
Then they fly home to the hive grove to share the nectar with their bee family.
This bee brings nectar from a flower and fills the cell with golden sweetness.
Inside the hive, bees work together, collecting nectar, fanning honey, and helping their family. This bee fans the nectar with its wings, helping it become sweet honey. Once the honey is ready, bees seal it with wax to keep it safe. Every hive has a queen bee, worker bees, and drone bees, and each has a special job. This is the queen bee. She keeps the hive happy and healthy. The queen lays all the eggs to grow new bees. Worker bees clean, feed babies, and keep the hive cool.
Drone bees help the queen and don't have stingers.
Every bee begins as a tiny egg, safe inside the hive. Soon, the egg hatches into a tiny larva, like a baby bee growing safe in its cell. The larva wraps itself in a cocoon and becomes a pupa, resting while it changes. Out comes a fully grown bee, ready to buzz and explore the world.
Bees help flowers grow by spreading pollen from one to another.
Bees help grow fruits, veggies, and seeds for animals and people.
You can help bees too, men. Just plant flowers and let them bloom. That's the end of our bee journey, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.